Here's how to do an invisible decrease. When you do a regular decrease, this can leave behind these little lines in your stitching as you see here, and your stitches will just be a little bit more noticeable in your final piece. If you want them to blend in better, you can try using an invisible decrease. So to start, we're going to insert our hook into just the front loop of the next stitch, and we'll have 2 loops on our hook. Then we'll insert our hook into just the front loop of the stitch after that, and now we have 3 loops on our hook. Going to yarn over and then pull through just the first 2 loops. And we'll have 2 loops left on our hook. Yarn over one more time and then pull through those last 2 loops. And there we've made one invisible decrease. So going over this again, we're going to insert our hook into just the front loop of the next stitch. And then we're going to insert our hook into just the front loop of the stitch after that. We have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again and pull through those last 2 loops. And that's how you do an invisible decrease. Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next.